Hello traders, check out these crazy backtest results using the MetaTrader visual backtest. It's my new Bitcoin trading robot for MetaTrader 5 that I made with the new DeepSeek AI, and it doesn't use high-risk martingale and or grid methods which will blow your account. In this video, I'm going to tell you all about it and how you can get it for yourself. So you may have seen my previous video where I showed you how to use the new AI DeepSeek to make a trading robot. If not, you can check it out. But I expanded on it by asking it to make me a highly profitable trading robot that doesn't use martingale and or grid, as these are dangerous and can blow up your account. Usually it's these systems which produce these crazy backtest results. However, our one, each trade has a stop and take profit. So what I did was to import the tick historical data into DeepSeek and asked it to look for high win tradable patterns which it could use for a trading robot. After it had done this and I went through some validation, I then asked it to create the trading robot. After a few iterations, we got something running and I got these backtest results. I was amazed and skeptical. Usually when I see results like this, I think it's a scam, but I made this myself with DeepSeek AI and I'm not going to scam myself. Running the visual backtest to see how it trades, I can see it places pending orders and has trailing stops. It has over 90% win rates and has fairly low drawdowns and has frequent trades. You can also see that it trades between 7 AM and 8 PM 7 days a week, as it's Bitcoin where the market never closes. However, I know the MetaTrader backtests are not always accurate, so I've now put it into a small live account to test to see where it may go, to see where they can live up to the expectations we see in the backtest. I will put up a live tracker on my FX book also, so you can see how this pans out. And for our premium members too, you can get access to this. For those who don't want the commitment of our membership, you can also purchase this for a one-off cost, which will include full lifetime updates. Check the links which will also be in the description box below. Make sure you're using our recommended brokers and VPS for the best results. And if you're using another broker, do run the backtests before you do anything else. And I think that's it. I'll put all the links that you need in the video description box below. Be sure to like and subscribe, and I'll see you all soon.